Hello, I'm Bill. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a blank row whenever the value in a specific column changes. For this example, we have employee payment data. Our goal is to insert a blank row each time the department changes, like between finance and HR or HR and IT. Let's get started. First, copy the criteria column, in this case, the department, and paste it as an assist column. Then, use the unique formula to extract unique values from this column and add those unique values at the bottom of the assist column. Next, sort both the original criteria column and the assist column to organize the data. Finally, delete the assist column, and that's it. Now, we've successfully inserted blank rows whenever the department value changes. If you want to add a blank row based on employee ID changes, follow the same steps, but use the employee ID column as the criteria.